Okay. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new haul video today, which I'm really excited about because I haven't done many here yet. But we're going to open together some little leggings that I received from Prozis. Prozis, which is a Portuguese brand. Everything is made in Portugal and they have been my partner for over 2 years now. And it's a pleasure to collaborate with them. Their products are really of very good quality. Anyway, before we dive into the main topic, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline. I'm 35 years old. And subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos and join the team of beauty and elegance. Here is my little package. I just opened the top, but everything is still to be discovered, of course. And I have to say, when I see this right here, open here to exceed yourself. Honestly, I'm really excited about it. Prozis sent me 3 leggings. And on top of that, I have some little gifts with it. I'm so happy because every time they are generous. They sent me some chocolate-covered raisins, premium, so I'm not really sure what this is. It must be chocolate-covered raisins. I feel like that's it. I don't know what it is. I have to admit that I don't know you. I hadn't seen it on their website. Well, there are so many things on their website. Whether it's food for athletes, health food, clothing, small kitchen appliances or cosmetic products, I only shower with gels. Shower gel from Prozis. My day cream is the vitamin C cream from Prozis. In short, I'm all about Prozis because I'm really satisfied with their products. And I didn't know that. Here, what do we have? Body. Follow mine. What is this? It must be bars. Yeah, they are bars. Forgive me. These are the best Prozis bars in terms of indulgence. So they're not sugar-free because they make a lot of sugar-free protein bars. Right here, I can guarantee you that we're talking about sugar, so energy obviously, but wow, I usually eat half a bar, since 1 whole bar is really too much. So I have 6 of them, 6 bars in total. Energy crunch bar. These ones are not the same. I don't know these ones. Here, yeah, the waffles, flavor vanilla. Okay, I had already tried them in chocolate flavor, and now I have them in vanilla flavor. So with typical Belgian recipes, well, it's the same. The chocolate ones are really good. I'm curious to see how the vanilla one turns out. We'll see. You'll definitely get feedback on one of my social media, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Let's get down to business. So in a few moments, you're going to see me switch, go from this little outfit, elegant to a classic sports outfit that I wear to go to the gym. So these are new, so we're going to try them on together to see how they look. Wow, really well packaged. Honestly, little tissue paper, I love tissue paper. It's silly, but I love it. Oh, I know which one it is. So this one here, we have a jumpsuit, and wow, this is something else. It's super sexy, actually. It must be not only very comfortable, like all their leggings. It's really crazy how comfortable it is. And this one, so we have the back crossed like this. Always a pretty stretchy material. It always hugs the skin. It really has an effect. Second skin. So I love it. We've got the little P from Prozis on the back. And above all, there's never any sewn label on their products. So you never have anything that itches, never anything like a thing, no. Really, I think that's really cool. It's beautiful. Extremely comfortable. So to be honest, I feel a bit like I'm back in the contemporary dance tunics I used to wear. Back then, when I was a teenager at the conservatory, we could have this kind of tunic that was really, really, really nice to wear. Wow. The back? No, but wait. The back, look how sexy it is. Honestly, I love it, and here it really shapes the line. I like it a lot here. The fact that the sides are a little bit cut out, the back is a little closer, you see, it's beautiful. The bodysuit really has a second skin effect. It's really very comfortable to wear. At least you can really be comfortable in all the movements you need to make. There's nothing that bothers you. I'm afraid it might be a bit weird to wear this kind of big bodysuit, but actually it looks really great. I realize that it creates a nice line and you're not tight here. So even though the special feature of the Prozis leggings doesn't tend to compress the belly here, you really have no compression at all, nothing, since it's unique. So in this case, there's really no discomfort. I suggest we move on to the second pair of leggings. Next, what do we have here? Very pretty. Here, we're looking at a color. Mixed lilac. I love it. I love it. I love the color of these leggings. Look, lilac color, same, very stretchy. And then, the little detail that really excites me about Prozis is that at the back, there's the elastic that goes into the butt. No tag. Actually, the product information is inside the waistband. You see, at the back, you have the Prozis logo. It's very comfortable too. They all really have a second skin effect, very pleasant to wear. And the color, I love it, it's pastel. It's good for the eyes, I think, I really like it. And then I paired it with a little sports bra too. How does it look? I think it looks great with it. What's great is that on Prozis you can create sets, but you can also mix different colors, different shades, and that's cool. What I also really like is adding a little pair of socks. Yes, from Prozis to two, of course. We have style all the way. I think it should match pretty well. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I love it. Of course, you'll find the link to each item in the video description along with my promo code, which is CARAFIT10. If you want to treat yourself, the code can also be combined with ongoing offers depending on the year. So really, don't hesitate to treat yourself. In general, they are quite generous. So there you go with the socks. I think it looks really great too. With really comfortable socks that don't squeeze too much at the calf, I think it's pretty cool. So I really encourage you to check out the website. It's a treasure trove for those who love sportswear. Anyway, there you go. I won't change whether the collaboration ends or not. And there you go, it will be Prozis for life. So as I was saying, there's this little elastic at the back here that goes into the butt, which helps shape the butt with a little cute butt on the side that highlights your lovely little butt. All right, let's move on to the third legging. For the third one, same thing, still with a little tissue paper. Awesome. Actually, it's exactly the same as the lilac one, but in water green. I love it. I'm a huge fan. Look, so this one is the same. We're looking at a two-tone detail. I really like it. I prefer this to solid colors. Honestly, it's more pleasant. Ah, well, look, here you can see the stitching better. So finally, the tag that's on the waistband of the leggings and all the information. So made in Europe, we love that. Made in Europe, machine wash at 30 degrees. The size, of course, I wear a small. What I really like about Prozis is that everything is made in Europe. And for me, that's important. It helps, let's say, to limit my carbon footprint a bit in my consumption because, well, sometimes products come from a bit further away. So, there you go. If we lose this little thought, I think it's not bad. And there you have it for the third leggings. The water bottle is exactly the same as another one, just a different color, very comfortable too. I love the color. Honestly, I'm really a big fan of this color. Same here, it really shapes the butt. There you go, girls, buy it. Really, so I paired it with a little sports bra that you can also find at Prozis, of course, which holds up really well. So maybe for larger busts, it's a little less suitable since it's quite low cut. Depending on the exercises you're going to do, maybe your breast will try to break free. So, I prefer this sports bra when I'm doing workouts. Rather muscle strengthening, which does not require making too sudden movements or running or doing well, here it is, not circuit training, for example, which will certainly require me to do burpees. Doing a lot of abs crunches, I don't know where. Sometimes I might run into a little bit. I pull it up a bit, even though I don't have a big bust. So anyway. Ah yes, there was also the little pair of socks. As I said, you're really going to think I'm crazy, but that's okay, I completely own it. If there are others who also own it like me, feel free to let me know in the comments. a little pair of green socks, so same here with the little P from Prozis. Here we're going to be a little bit on the tricolor. I really like it with the little socks. And just to tell you, not on me, because it's in the laundry unfortunately, a green sports thong from Prozis as well. They have them in white, they have them in pink, they have them in fancy colors. Anyway, that's it, because it's the same. For a workout session, I think it's good to have an undergarment that's suitable, not uncomfortable, something you don't even notice. So, we're going to taste one of these little bars, the Energy Crunch bar. They put a little indicator down here for you, like it can be during your workout, to give you a little boost or after your workout. So for me, it's neither one nor the other. It's really just pure indulgence. We won't want that, right? I hope I'm not being a stone wall. A little survey for you as well. Tell me if you're into sports or not in the comments. I'm curious to know if I have a sports team hiding among you or not at all. It smells good when you open it. Ooh. I feel like it's just cereal. So there's puffed cereal. I feel like there's puffed quinoa, oat flakes. Anyway, there you go. Mainly, I think oats and quinoa, compared to what you can find in stores of quinoa, compared to what you can find in stores, it definitely does the job. So we went through this little unboxing of Prozis together. I hope you liked it. If you didn't know this brand, I really encourage you to check out their website. I'll put their link in the video description along with my promo code CARAFIT10. Really, you can save it in your notes. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. As you can see, I have a few little packages to unbox here too. So that will come in other videos. And to join this stylish adventure as well. With that, I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself and keep smiling. Kisses, kisses.